So let's see. We got this salmon for $5 off, so it was $6.99, I think. But actually, where's the salmon? Yeah, it was $6.99, which is not a bad price for salmon. And then we got 3 of these skirt steaks, which normally, it says on here that they're normally $7.99, and they were priced each, like this one was $4.54, but then we got $1 off, which made it $3.54. This one was $6.45, but we got $3 off. These are normally $7.99. So for, that's $2.71 plus $3.54, that's like, I don't know, 6. For like $10 or $11, we got 3 things of skirt steak, which will go a long way. Especially this one, it looks like it's doubled over. And then we got this steak, which it says it's $12.99, but it rang up for cheaper than that. Let me find it. It rang up for $9.18. No, that's not it. Hold on. Do you see it? It rang up much cheaper. It was like $11.99, $11.19. It rang up for that, but it was marked at $12.99. So, and then we got these 2 Smithfields, or no, that's not Smithfield. Swift Premium. These are like $6 a piece, 6 and some change. Yeah. And then the center cut bacon, we got it for pretty cheap too. And that's the only reason we bought it, because I just bought some at Walmart. This is $3.99, it was $1 off. No, that's not right. I don't know how to read. I don't know how to read. Where is
like
it?
$4.29.
Where's the bacon? It's on here. And
Wasn't it like $4.29 to start with?
I think so. Where is it? Maybe that is. It was $4.99 and we got it for $3.99. Okay, and then we got some 90-10 ground beef for let's see, for $4.59 each, which is cheaper than what we can get at the grocery store. I think it's like, even when it's on sale, it's $4.99 a pound. So for less than $10, we got 2 really good packages of beef. And then we got some turkey sausage, the Market Pantry kind, just to try. Because I just bought some of the, what brand is that? The Hormel? No, Jennie-O turkey sausage. I think I paid like $4 for that. $3.69 for some sausage. And then, let's see, some tilapia, is it tilapia? I don't know what kind of fish this is. It's the same as like the Gordon's. I don't know. $2.49, I think. Oh no. Yeah, $2.49 for that. Let's see. Some frozen corn, because you can never have too much frozen corn, and it tastes better than regular. It was $2.09. No, it wasn't. This was $1 something, wasn't it? Like $1.99?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Where is it? Why are these not together? I rang them up together, I thought. Yeah, $2.09. It says Market Pantry cut corn, which I think will be this. And then the stir fry blend was, this must be it. Yeah, $2.99, which is better than what we can get at the grocery store. And then we got some ginger cubes, which we might make our own garlic cubes, but we don't buy ginger enough to do it. But a lot of like Asian recipes call for ginger, and this ginger was $2.99. Let's see. These pickles we get at some specialty stores, and they're usually super expensive. But I think they were $5.99 for this jar. We usually pay what, $13 for the jar?
Maybe not that much. Maybe like $10.
And then these pickles are amazing. We got these last time we went, and they are $4.99.
We're trying to be serious, and our horde cat's screaming the song for people.
Alright, we bought a big thing of olive oil because we're going to try and infuse some olive oil, and this was $11.19, which was on sale. Right, that's right. No, it was $10.29.
Are you making
for this.
something?
We got some ranch and some balsamic vinaigrette because we needed some. These were just a normal, like $1.18 each. And then, let's see. Rotel was not a good deal, but we needed one. It was actually cheaper than we get it at our grocery store. It's like $1.25 on sale. It was 99 cents. These two, this is what I like to make our like spaghetti sauce out of. And they were on sale for, where are they? I should have marked these off as I heard them off, but I didn't. Oh, here they are. They were $1.61 each. This was 99 cents. Just some pasta sauce that we're gonna try in our like crustless pizza. These were 2 for $4, which is a really good deal. I think this Market Pantry shredded cheese was $1.99. I think we can get them 2 for $4 at our grocery store. So that was like a penny cheaper. And then I've been looking for this at the store forever, and they didn't have it, but they had it at Target. So I bought it, and it is $1.79, and then this brown rice because we were out was $1.59, and then we got some popcorn because we were out, which was $2.59. This whole bag of onions here, because we were out of onions, was only I think $1.99. And then we got some Roma tomatoes because I'm gonna make some salsa. This whole thing of tomatoes was just $1.17. It was 99 cents a pound, which is a deal. These peppers were like 92 cents for all 4. The cilantro was 52 cents. And then we got some tilapia fillets. Where are they? I think these were like $7. Maybe this is what was $5.99. I don't know, it's not that much. It wasn't that expensive because you get 6 4-ounce fillets in here, which will feed us for a full meal. So we'll have these, the kids and I, and then Danielle will have these because she doesn't like real fish. Let's see, we got a book. I think that's it, right? And we spent $140 on all of this stuff. Oh, I forgot about these. I really like these to take to work, to squeeze on like a banana or some apples. They're really convenient to take to work. And then we don't usually eat the crackers that come in these, so we got these, and then Dakota's gonna try this.
If you want to know what that crunch noise is, she's standing right beside me eating chips.
I think that's it from Target. Alright, so this is how we store like herbs and lettuce and stuff. You just wrap it in a towel and put it in a baggie or whatever, and I label it so we don't know, so we don't forget, and then you just store it in the fridge. That towel absorbs all the extra water and it keeps it from getting all broke. So we got a Whole Foods specifically for certain things. This almond butter and this cheese is the number 1 and 2 reasons why we went. And then we went to check out their essential oils too. So essential oils are really expensive. And that is what brought our total up quite a bit because we spent more than we expected to at Whole Foods. Anyway, that's essential oils. We got some eucalyptus, which is clarifying, and some roll-on relax, which has lavender, ylang ylang, and a whole bunch of other things that I can't pronounce. But those were, the tube is $7.99, and then the bottle was $6.99. The almond butter that I went specifically for is just really just ground up almonds, and it was $5.17 for this container, which will last me for a pretty long time. And then these cheeses, we go because they got fancy cheese. We're not really big cheese eaters unless it's fancy. And they always have some for you to try. So we got some Run Runner, Sartori, some smoked cheddar, and some, I don't know what this is, Emmentaler Emmy.
I don't know. They smell horrible, but they taste great.
We've tasted these. So this was $4.14, $3.40 for the cheddar, and then $5.85 for the Rum Runner. So we'll eat those on our date night in. And then these chips, like we said earlier, are the ones that are chili and lime chickpea chips. They were 2 for $6, and then we get extra off because we have Amazon Prime. So we ended up saving more than that. And then we got these Alexia fries, sweet potato fries, and some rosemary fries. They were 2 for $6, which is cheaper than what we can get at the grocery store. So we went ahead and picked them up. Some of these in the freezer. And then these are Danielle's favorite drinks. So we got 2 of those and a whole 12. Was it a 12 pack?
I think so.
Huh?
I think so. Or it might be more than.
And then I got some reusable produce stacks because I'm really tired of throwing away all those bags, and these will really come in handy. And then I've been using some Schmidt's deodorant that I ordered from Grove Collaborative, but it's been breaking my armpits out. So I'm gonna try the Tom's, and it was half the price of the Schmidt's. So that's all of our Whole Foods, and